Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. You're seeing a hand on my screen, right? Because I'm going to show you something really interesting here. So, have you ever wondered how to create some hand drawing sketching designs on Canva? I'm going to teach you right now, but first, let's watch this sample video I've made. Now, as you can see right here, the topic for this one is how to make money using AI. And these are going to be the hand drawn sketches I've made using Canva. And actually, guys, these are actually really easy to do. However, I have a disclaimer for you that you're gonna need something a little bit more extra for this one moving forward. Have you heard about Canva Pro? So Canva Pro is gonna be a subscription inside Canva that gives you so much, like literally so much power to do so. So let me just search on Google right now. What is gonna be Canva Pro? Let's just go for this one. And basically for this one is, as you can see, features right there. So we're gonna check on the metrics, compare for rather. So for Canva Pro features, you're gonna get video background remover. You're also gonna get premium video, create, edit, and save premium videos for any platform. You're gonna also get background remover, premium content, instant animation, which is the one I did earlier. Schedule social, which is actually really new here for social media managers, and templates, like thousands and thousands of templates. You're also going to get transparent images, which is actually really new here in Canva. You have the power to resize designs and stay on brand, and those are just a few features you have in the Canva Pro features. If I click on overview here, so you can design like a pro. So why choose Canva Pro? You can design without limit, and basically everything here will be on your taking. So I have Canva Pro right now, and they have a 30-day free trial. So please check them out. They're actually really good, guys. You will not really regret getting Canva Pro. Now let's talk about this one, since I have showed you the video on how to create it. So first, I'm gonna start with ChatGPT right here. As you can see, I already have made some things and prompts here. So I'm just gonna show it. So you will not really take much of your time. The first part right here is this prompt. Now, I'm going to tell you this right now that using Canva or ChatGPT or any AI right there, to get the juice, to get the really good stuff, you just really need to be more specific on ChatGPT. Because again, guys, that's only an AI. As you can see right here, I have very descriptive requests here. I have very specific requests. Starting from, I'd like to create a short video on how to make money using AI, using whiteboard animation or hand-drawn animation. I made a very specific point on what I want, what's the title, and what should I see on the designs. So I asked to cool the write a script for me. So this is gonna be the script. I also have a voiceover for this one. I'm gonna show you how to add voiceover as a bonus on this topic. So I already have this, right? A script. So since I have a script, I add another prompt here. So I'll create all these scenes using AI. So first, I will generate images with an AI image generator, then turn them into a video or animate them. As you can see right there on the first phrase, I'm asking or I'm telling ChatGPT what I will do. So ChatGPT will have an idea on what I will do and what kind of output would I want to see. And as you can see right here, could you please provide me with the perfect image generation prompts for all of these scenes? Feel free to include multiple prompts for certain scenes where it's possible. So as you can see right here, I have, I think, 7 scenes in total. So scene 1, I have 2 prompts, and each scene gives me 2 prompts, which is basically what I said here. I told ChatGPT to give me multiple prompts so I can choose which one of which is going to be best suited for the scene. So prompt number 1 for style screen, basically whiteboard animation of a title saying how to make money using AI, a clean hand-drawn look, minimal color, white background, and sketchy text with light shadows. Or I can choose the second one, hand-drawn lettering, for a title, how to make money using AI, with doodles of a light bulb, dollar signs, and a robot around that text saying whiteboard style. Just choose one of each of the scenes. For example, I'm going to choose this one. I'm just going to click on copy for now, and I'm going to head over to my favorite place, Canva. Now, since we're in here, I'm just going to create a design right there. And for this one, I'm going to go for custom size, 1920 by 1080 pixels. That's depending on your choosing. And click create design. So I'm going to show you something awesome here. I already have this design right here. So I'm going to start with the first one. So for example, I'm going to add the new one as a blank page. So you're gonna understand what I'm getting with this one. So I'm gonna add a page there as a blank page. So this is gonna be how you look like, right? This is what you see. The first thing I'm gonna do right now is gonna be on elements. And under AIG image generator, again, to get image generator inside Canva, you're gonna need Canva Pro. So get your own or generate this ones. I'm gonna generate my own there. So it has two choices: images, graphics, and again, videos. So I copied this one. This is gonna be the one from earlier. Let me just clear this one, delete that one right there, and basically for here, I can just generate more like this depending on my liking. But I'm gonna go for images or graphics, sorry. So just disregard this. I'm gonna go back on ChatGPT. So for the title screen, I'm gonna go for this one. So I'm just gonna paste, copy and paste. I'm not gonna think much of it. There's no manual labor for this one. It's just gonna be basically copy and paste and choose style there. Now, first the style is gonna be depending on your liking, on your perspective, on what kind of output would you want to see in here. So the ideal to your hand-drawn design is of course monoline or artistic for hand-drawn. Earlier I did monoline for the video. For this one I'm gonna go for hand-drawn and basically click on generate again. And as you can see, depending or based on my experience, it usually takes around 10 to 15 seconds to finish this one. So while you're waiting for this, just make sure you choose already, which is gonna be the prompt for scene number 2, scene number 3, and so on and so forth. So there will be a bit of a corresponding synchronization, right? So these are the 4. And as you can see, they have different designs. I'm gonna show you a little trick here. You don't have to generate everything or generate again. What you can do for now is, for example, you want these kinds of designs. This second one right here, right? What you can do here is click on the 3 dots right there and generate more like this. So basically, the 3 other designs or 3 panels will now generate designs such as the first one right there. All right. Now let's just repeat the process from step 1 to step 7 until you have all of the designs. Now, once you have all of the designs, you're gonna create a new template. All right. Click create new template and now focus on videos and look for YouTube video, the landscape of 1920 to 1080 pixels, the standard one. And it should be looking like this. Okay. Now, once you're in here, let me just add a new page so you're going to see how it looks like. In here, go for applications, look for speed painter, and get the one that looks like this one. And this is how it should look like, right? Since I already used all of my credits, I don't think it will allow me anymore, but let's just try, okay? So, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the number 6. This was the thing I did earlier, right? The number 6 right here, I'm going to go for 1 second. Make sure that this is going to be added, the sketching hand effect. And as you can see, I have used 12 of my 10. So that would be limit or capped already. However, it should be looking like this. Before, it will not look as a background. All right. So make sure you right click on the image and then make it as a background. It's going to be easy as that. For example, it should be looking like this, right? You don't have to enlarge it all the way. What you can do is right click and set video as background. And that is going to be how you do it moving forward. Now, as promised, a bonus for the audio file, use this website, 11 Labs. I love this website. So I'm not going to talk much of it. I'm going to focus it on the next video. But for now, 11 Labs is attach your speech. Where can you get your text? Of course, you can get it on the scene we had from earlier. Scene number 1, just add this one right here. Paste it right there. Choose a voice. So they have racial, the alias, the build area, depending on your liking. And basically generate the speech. Once you have your file, just paste it in here on the audio file, and you'll be good to go. And once you're satisfied with your design in Canva, click share, click download, MP4, and you have your very own video, just like mine on this one. It's gonna be easy as that, right? Again, there's the manual labor for this one. You just need to have really good prompts, talk to ChatGPT, and get your prompts working for you. Get AI working for you. They're pretty awesome, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.